Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do approximate matching Power Query using this example here. So I have this amount. I wanted to have the rate here. So the rate will be on this lookup table, the rate here that is based on graduated amount, mean and max here. So it is applicable on commission, penalty, bonus, and things like that. So let's first load this to table from table range. Okay. So in the amount, let's call it the output because we're gonna do all the formulas here in this table. So let's make a connection first. Close and load to, and only create connection. Okay. Now this is the lookup table. So select out of your data tab from table range. Okay. And then let's call it the cutoff. Okay. Now let's go back to the output, and in here obviously we wanted to have the rate column here, particular rate applicable to the amount. So let's use let function for that. You can use advanced editor, but I think it's much simpler with the let function. So let me add another column here. Let's call it the rate, and let's declare the let function. And we have to have a variable. First variable is a, which is equal to the amount column. I wanted to have a variable that will hold the amount column so that it will not be changed whenever we have formulas to be applied on that. So we need that. Let's display it first in a. Okay, so that's exactly the same. Okay, that's it. Now the second step is to get the lookup value here, which is the mean. In this case, I wanted to pull these values from the mean, match it with the amount column. So let's go back to the added custom. That's another variable. So comma. So in B, next variable, I will use List.Select. And then in the List.Select, I wanted to have the cutoff table and then the mean column. So in square bracket mean, comma, the condition will be each of the existing item or current item will be less than or equal to the amount, this column, but we cannot directly use that. That's why we have the first variable, which is a. So we're going to use a for that, and then close it. And then let's display it first, b. Okay, so we have a list here of all the amounts that is less than or equal to the amount column, but we need just the last row here, every last row. So we can go back to the added custom, and then we can put List.Last on variable b, and then close it. Okay, that's it. That's the mean amount. We pull that with a cutoff table, and then next thing is the rate column. So we need to transform it into a rate. So in the added custom, let's declare another variable c, and I'm going to use Table.SelectRows. So in here, I will use the cutoff table, comma, and that each should be the mean column in the cutoff table. So in square bracket mean, that should be exactly equal to the variable b, the current values on the rate column here. So if that's the case, let's first display that in C. Okay, so that's it. We have a table now of single rows, but with the mean, max, and rate. We just need the rate column. So in the added custom, you can just have the rate in square bracket, and then okay, that's it. It becomes a list now, but that's exactly what we need, the rate here, the exact rate here. So in the added custom, in order to pull that number, we can use List.Single, because every item has a single rows in that. So let's close it, enter, and that's it. That's the rate here. So let's check it. Let's load it first if that's correct. go to the Home tab, close and load to, and let's create a connection first. Only create connection, okay. And then let's load the output table here. Right click and load to in a table, existing worksheet. Okay, so that's it. Let's check it using the Excel formula VLOOKUP. So I'm going to use VLOOKUP here, and then the amount as the lookup value, comma, the table will be the lookup table, comma, and we need a third column, which is the rate, and we're going to use true for the approximate match. Okay, copy and paste it, and then let's check it. If that is equal to 0, that means equal. Okay, copy and paste it. That's it. All of them are 0. That's correct. Let's try it. Let's target something here. Let's say we want 3%. So in this bracket, we can use 12,000. Let's check it. Data tab, refresh all, and that's it. It's gonna be added, and that's correct. That's 3%. And I'm finished. I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe in my channel. Click the subscribe button, and see you next time. And thanks.